Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, traders around the world. Just to remind you, my name is Jeff Goodwin, and I'm here today to introduce the Ninja V70 strategy to you. In a moment, I'll be going on to my charts. I'll be sharing you a piece of technology software, free to use, called TradingView. You get it on TradingView.com. Now, on this here, what I'll be doing is I'll be looking at the charts. I'll be looking at a trading instrument, a currency pair with gold mixed with the US dollar. And I'll be introducing that specific strategy, the V70. And let's share my charts right now. Okay, here we go. So put my glasses on, ladies and gentlemen. So here is a quick summary. At the moment, I've got this charting program called TradingView. I've got it with XAU USD. And what that is, I'm looking at trading with gold against the US dollar. Okay, that's what I'm doing. But it's a very specific strategy based on using something called volume. That means the amount of volume people are buying and selling in the market. That's the first thing. We use volume. And we have a very specific indicator to help us find out that information. And the information it gives us is really, really powerful, because on a day-to-day basis, it tells us lots of valuable information. It tells us where 70% of the whole trading is done in the whole day. But more importantly, it tells us an exact price, a specific price where there's more trading going on than any other price. Now, for some people, that is a complete game changer. So I don't know if you have traded before, this is your first time, or perhaps you're a struggling trader looking to make things happen. Well, welcome to the Ninjas. Welcome to the Ninja Group, and I hope you take this further with us. So these lines are basically session breaks. This is breaking up every day of trading. Okay, at the moment, this is set to UK time. So take it from there. And at the moment, every candle here is worth 1 hour. That candle is worth 1 hour of trading. So is that, so is that, so is that. Now this is, I'm in Thailand currently, although my time set to the UK. I trade over here, and it says Saturday, even though it's, you see down there. Now, what I'm going to do is look at this here. So you can see from there, on Friday, the market went down and went back up. The day before, market went down, back up. The day before, down, back up. But this day was, you could see this is a trending day, and these days here are more flat, I think you would say. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm very quickly going to turn on an indicator to help us find information, because we want to win. Now, the benefits of trading with the Ninjas and Forex spot market, whether it's gold or whatever it may be, we can make money, we can profit, we can make pips, as the currency is called pips. We can make pips profit when the price goes up and when it also comes down. So we're a fantastic opportunity. We predicted the trend was going to come down. You could have made a nice, very nice indeed profit, and then back up. So the first thing I'm going to do is 3 main indicators we're going to use with this. Okay, 3 main indicators. So the tools, the first one, we get up here when it says indicators. And for this, you do need a paid for version of TradingView, but I'll show you a workaround there. So go to built-ins, volume profile, sessions volume. Yeah, and I put that on, and this comes up. Now there is settings for this, and I'll do this in the next video. But I just want to introduce you to the 3 indicators we use to really focus in getting in on a safer time and a safer opportunity. But let me look back. So the trading style is, I want you to imagine this is today, this is you at this candle here. Yeah, and the way it works is, if we look, there's like a grey, it's a blue, and there's a grey with this. Yours might be slightly different when you first get it. And I'll show you how to change that. And the day before, we have a grey, blue, and there's a small, very, very small grey there. And the same, and that goes back in time. Yeah. So just as an example, I'll go to the day before, because this strategy, the Ninja V70 strategy, is a bit like that famous movie, Going Back to the Future. So what we do, that's right, the Back to the Future. Yep. So what we do is, I'm just going to separate this and make it a bit bigger. Yeah. So I am on the 1 hour, but I'm going to go down later on, rather than 1 hour candle. I'm going to reduce these to the 15 or even the 5-minute candle. So this strategy is famous for drawing 3 lines, just 3 lines. Simple, easy. Let me show you now. I'll go over here, click on that little bit there. It says horizontal ray. I click on it once. You see that between the blue and the grey? I just draw a line. It's the first line. The second line, I come over here again. You see the difference between the blue and the grey? I click that there. That's the second line. And guess where the third line is in here? That's right. We basically put it on top of that one there. I'm just going to pop it there first now. Yeah. Now let's look upon that now. Let me show you the strategy. The time frame is going to change. I want to show you the strategy. So our aim, so the market opens here, is to actually go through that price. Yeah. And it might go away and come back. And every time it hits this line, we make money. That's good, isn't it? Now, but we'll have to tell it to come back to the line. So if it goes away, we want it to come back. If it goes up here, we want it to come back. Yeah. So now that I've done that, yeah. What I'm going to do is just, so that would be the first profit there, because it actually does come, it's above it, it does come down, it goes away, and it passes it again, comes back down, it passes again, comes down. So we hit at least once, twice, perhaps 3 times. And when I go down to the smaller time frame, you'll see it. So the strategy is we go back to the future. We use this volume profile sessions, which we got up here, built-ins, volume profile sessions. Yeah, we drew a line. The blue go to the grey there, first line, the second line, and then we'll have the third line. Okay, so that's an introduction to the volume. Now I'm going to show the settings. I'm just going to click on this twice. Yeah, and we get the settings. From the top, a couple of choices. I do ticks per row, the row size 5, volume up or down or total. I do total, value area 70. So when you think of the V70 strategy, we're using the value area where 70% of the trading is done. That's what we call it, the volume 70 to V70. Then just click on the style. We come down and we change the top 2 so they're the same. So I could change these to any color I want. Yeah, I could change these to any color I want. But I just like to keep them grey. Yeah, And the bottom ones, these two here, I could change these to any color I want. Yeah, but I'm going to keep it that nice light blue, or even that blue. Let's go back to this one here. Yeah. So what I've done is I've click this, but this here, let's see if it's now, let's keep it at 50. Oh, do that again. The POC, you see this. This will be red when it comes out of the box. So, but I like this have a nice blue, nice vibrant color, your choice. And what I missed the other side here, we also extend the POC. That's that there. Yeah. It's that POC there. Just make sure that's on. Inputs, text per row, 5, total 70. Extend POC right. Have the colors settings. They're the same. Go to here. Save as default. Okay. Done. So that's an introduction to the volume profile using sessions on the Ninja V70. See you in the next video, and I do recommend you watch 2 or even 3 times. Have a great day. Bye for now.